The throttle body is a device that allows the engine of a fuel-injected vehicle to breathe. Pressing on the accelerator pedal opens the throttle body's blades to allow air into the engine. The greater the airflow, the higher the RPM. Time to put pedal to the metal. Designed for racing cars, this throttle body could make the difference between winning and losing. All because of the way it delivers the air the engine needs for speed. The process starts by machining a solid aluminium disc for the top part of the throttle body. Computer-controlled cutters then reduce the thickness of the disc and contour it, cutting out the shape of 4 air passageways. It's then flipped over, and the cutting tools work on the other side. The air passageways are completely opened up, and a hole is created in the center for a bolt. Next, a square piece of aluminium is clamped into the fixture, and the tools begin cutting the bottom or main body part. This is a computer simulation of the process. The 4 holes not only match those on the top piece, but will also hold the throttle blades, known as butterfly valves. It takes minutes for them to be transformed, ready for the next stage. With the parts now electrically charged, they're plunged into an etching bath. The chemicals gravitate to the electrically charged parts and lightly etch the surface. A dip in soapy water cleans the parts. They're now ready for anodizing, a process that will form an anti-corrosion finish on the surface. In the anodizing bath, an electrical charge creates a protective oxide layer on the metal, so now black dye can coat it. Here are the parts before and after anodizing. A laser then engraves the brand name onto the side of the top throttle body part. Next, 2 stainless steel shafts are inserted into sealed bearings in holes on the side of the bottom piece. When turned, the shafts will open and close the round throttle blades. Retaining clips are installed on the shafts to keep them in place. These also allow the blades to turn freely. Round blades are screwed onto the flat part of each shaft. As the shaft turns, these blades will act as valves, either opening or closing to allow air into the engine or shut it off. A mechanical linkage is attached to the end of each shaft. These will ultimately be connected to a cable that runs to the accelerator. When the driver steps on the accelerator, the linkages will turn the shafts and the blades will open and close. The 2 linkages are then connected with a tie bar, enabling all 4 blades to now open and close simultaneously. Time to make sure they're working properly. Next, the top part is fitted to the main body. Thread lock solution is then applied around a bolt before it's placed in the center of the assembly and is secured in place, holding the 2 parts of the throttle body together. The bolt is then secured with a threaded insert that is also used to attach an intake air cleaner. This throttle body is now complete. Airflow through the throttle body is measured and a performance rating is given. Factory approved. It's time to fit the throttle body between the car's intake manifold and air filter. Buckle up. It's time to go full throttle. Hopefully, in a straight line.